Okay, folks, it's Captain Rusty Rivers coming to you once again. I can't tell you where I am, although I can tell you that it's United States government property. I'm not supposed to be here right now. Look on the front of this Coast Guard ship. You see that? Yeah, y'all know what that is. One right there, and one right there. Yeah. This ship's ready to go. Look at all of its towers, radar. God only knows what all that is up there. Wow. That's pretty incredible. Yeah, and look what's right next to it. The name of this boat here is called the Tiger Shark. Oh yeah. I don't know what that boat is supposed to be designed for. I know what this one is. This is a long-range Interceptor boat right here. Holy cow. Look at the platforms of the enclosed bridge that they have up there. Wow. Man, I bet you they got all kinds of special equipment on this ship. Those look like, I don't know, somebody in the comments that does know, are those 60 calibers that they got mounted up there? Kind of looks like it. Amazing. I guess I better climb back over the fence. Actually, I had to swim up underneath this thing right here. I had to swim up underneath that and then get out and then climb over a fence. And now I got to go and do it all over again. And I got a waterproof thingamajig that I put my recording phone into. And with that, I'm Captain Rusty Rivers, signing out.